Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka perthai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel. Habakali Bah Adelbert hapo assembly. Ya ki self help group haki jakasor. Ki bala register bat ka sorkar. Jubab ubak sniob halang dahar baka sorkar ka aish phajar tyngka. Ya ki self help group haki jakasor. Kadba ya ki self help group haki no kendong pat. Ka sorkar ka ai tang arhajar sanspa tyngka. Kumta Bah Adelbert ula klini yu ubak sniob halang. Baka sorkar ka le siliang ni ki self help group haki nong kendong. Namar ka ai tang arhajar sanspa tyngka. Hadin kade. Layarab jubab no yu ubak sniob halang da menteri rangba ukuan ras sangma. Bah Adelbert unge ceka sorkar MDA bakalah plan ka multi-dimensional poverty. Kabai bor ki Kynthei bakin long ki Nongkamai da ki lak tyngka. Namar ka pisa ba ai ka sorkar. Kadai tang sipajar tyngka. Kumta ka long ka ba e yaki bakin long ki lak patis. Lane ki Nongkamai da ki lak tyngka. Bah Adelbert ula kren sendon da ka ketin Khasi hapo assembly. Hak ba ula ong baka jingdok kamdai namar ka jingbom la ban penbiang yaki bado. Nrei ka dai namar ka jingbom la ban penhun yaki baru spa.
Okay. Some more supplementary, Mr. Speaker, sir. As we know the fact that we have heard that the government have planned to estimate multi-dimensional poverty by empower women to become lakpatis, didis, which I will quote our Honorable Chief Minister had mentioned this. Which means a woman should earn minimum of rupees 1 lakh annually. Just a matter of 10,000. Do you think that you will come lakpatis? I don't believe. So, as what I'm reminding myself, that poverty is not that we cannot provide the poor, but it is because we cannot satisfy the rich. May I translate in Khasi? Kajing duk kamdei namar kajing bamla ban penbiang ya kibaduk. Henry kadei namar kajing bamla ban penhun ya kibaruspa. Poverty is not that we cannot provide the poor, but it is because we cannot satisfy the rich. May I translate in Khasi? Kajing duk kamdei namar kajing bamla ban penbiang ya kibaduk. Henry kadai namar kajing bamla ban penhun ya kibaruspa. May I get clarification, sir?